Follow the step on how to make text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started by creating a new document and follow this artboard size. Press M and make a rectangle. Fill color. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Insert the text and set in Options panel. Set the leading. Right-click and create outlines. Pathfinder and click Unite. Ungroup. Group each line of text. Select this and flip horizontal. Set a line. Group. Double-click and change the color. Click here to close. Make a rectangle. Fill black color. Right-click, arrange, and send to back. Select and group. Place and insert the texture image. Press Ctrl+C to copy and move this. Prepare transparency panel. If it's not there, you can bring it up via the window menu. Select. Make mask. Click this and press Ctrl+V. Set the position. Click this to close. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.